On today's video, we're gonna do a pH check on our pool water.
pH now. We go down 18 inches and we fill it to the 44 mil mark. So right there. Okay? Let's go check our pH. Okay, our pH we use R004 in your Taylor kit. And we put 5 drops. Just 5 drops of pH. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can swirl it like that. Or if you're not good at swirling it, you can use this that comes in the kit and shake it. Okay. And on this one is you go by color. So we're gonna look here at our colors here, and we're gonna match it up to the right color. So I would say this one 7.4. Okay. So ideally for pH, you want to be within 7.4 to 7.6. That's perfect. So there we go. We got 7.4 on your pH.
There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.